Wish you had a personal secretary? These 5 AI tools can handle your schedule, emails, meetings, and reminders, all without needing a salary. Welcome to ByteSized Future. Let's start with Reclaim.ai, a smart calendar assistant that works like a real-life secretary for your schedule. It connects with Google Calendar and automatically finds time for your meetings, personal tasks, habits, and breaks. If something changes, Reclaim reshuffles your day to fit everything in smoothly. Think of it like a planner that thinks ahead for you. You can tell it to block focused time for writing, create recurring habits like reading, and even protect your lunch hour. It helps you avoid burnout by balancing work and rest. Many busy professionals say it saves them 5 to 10 hours per week by avoiding back-and-forth scheduling. It's one of the most useful AI tools for time management today. When it comes to handling email, Superhuman is a tool that feels like a digital executive assistant. It helps you reply faster with AI-suggested responses, clean up your inbox with smart shortcuts, and even tell you when someone opens your email. It's fast, clean, and great for professionals who deal with a high volume of emails every day. What makes it even better is its AI features. It can read the tone of an email, suggest how to respond politely, and even write drafts for you in your style. If your inbox stresses you out, Superhuman turns it into something manageable and sharp. It's like having a personal secretary that makes you look good without lifting a finger. For meetings, you don't need someone scribbling notes. Just invite Fireflies.ai. This AI tool joins your Zoom, Microsoft Teams, or Google Meet calls, listens, records, and writes down everything. It also gives you a transcript and a summary you can review later. It's like having an invisible secretary in every meeting, never missing a detail. You can click on a sentence and hear exactly what was said at that moment. Some teams use Fireflies to assign tasks right from the meeting notes, saving even more time. If you've ever forgotten who said what or missed a decision while multitasking, Fireflies keeps everything clear. If you need help with writing tasks, reports, or even social posts, Notion AI acts like a thinking partner. Inside Notion's popular workspace tool, the AI can generate content, summarize research, rewrite text in a friendlier tone, and even help brainstorm ideas. For project managers, students, and creators, Notion AI is like a mini team member who's always available. You can type, write a summary of this, and it does. Or ask it to make a checklist from a long paragraph, and it's done. It saves time, keeps things organized, and blends smoothly with the content you already create. If you've used Notion, the AI makes it 10x more powerful. Finally, meet Pi.ai, a conversational AI made to feel more like a friend than a tool. You chat with it naturally. No need to say, "Hey, assistant." It remembers what you've said, gives advice, suggests reminders, and helps you think through problems. People use it to plan their day, calm their anxiety, and even prepare for presentations. What makes Pi special is that it talks like a real person, warm, understanding, and intelligent. It doesn't just tell you the weather or answer facts. It holds a conversation. It's like a personal secretary that listens, helps, and guides without sounding robotic. The more you talk, the more useful it becomes. With AI assistants like these, anyone can work smarter, stay organized, and reduce stress without needing to hire help. The future of productivity is already here. Subscribe to ByteSized Future for more bite-sized tech tools that change your day, one smart step at a time.